I was grateful for the opportunity to come today, to have the invitation to participate in a discussion about the future of local government and the demands and services which we provide and the changes which will take place over the next 10 years. I think a number of issues face us, both in terms of societal change, demand for services, ageing population, environmental changes, and the pressures of new technology and moving towards net zero and decarbonisation. So it was good to get together with senior colleagues across local government and with colleagues from Solace and Civica to consider the issues, service delivery issues and challenges which face local government over the next 10 years. Major opportunities to look at self-service, increased use of data and systems to provide better services and outcomes for our residents throughout their life journey in accessing public services.